Rotation generates power. Thanks to rotation, airplanes can take off, cars can move, and precision machines can be manufactured. We are Honor Seiki, and we have focused on highly efficient vertical lathes in support of machining infrastructure around the world since 1987. With our expertise in intelligent, innovative solutions, vertical lathes, and customized manufacturing, Honor Seiki has acquired a wealth of knowledge from decades of experience. We deeply understand the machining challenges and requirements across various industries, and our proficiency, showcased in our cutting-edge vertical lathes, is designed to not only meet but exceed your expectations. Through rotating workpieces, we carefully carve out iron shavings, leaving behind high-quality products for our partners. Honor Seiki is always here to offer our expertise, whether it is for ground transport, aerospace, the energy industry, or construction machinery. Our uncompromising quality standards can be seen in the unique originality of our designs and in every instance of precision calibration. Machine tools are the lifeblood of human progress, and your trust is the driving force of our continuous improvement. Rotation generates power, and that is why we listen to our customers and work hand in hand with our valuable partners around the world. For continuous operation, we embrace ESG concepts and commit to implementing sustainable management to serve as a strong backbone for manufacturing partners. Honor to be your partner.